Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you're looking to swap out some windshield wipe, hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking to swap out windshield wiper blades that look like this and are just not getting the job done, they're just not keeping the glass nice and clean, or they're like, they're not with one swipe doing the job. Here's a quick overview on this option. So they have a variety of sizes. They match up with whatever vehicle you have. You just gotta search for your vehicle selection and get the right one that fits based on this selection. And I will say that just going off the vehicle selection matched up identical with the size I needed. I didn't even need to come out and measure. I just put in the vehicle and it spit out perfect. So +1 there. They got that all nice and neat. These are very easy to use. This part just unsnaps, slips up, and there's a couple different options to put these on depending on the type of windshield wiper that you have. So this is the option. It kind of looks like this, if that makes sense, to where it kind of loops around. I'll share right quick how that works. So it's like this U shape here. Literally can do this one-handed. It slides right over that. All you got to do is take this then, snap it. Oh man, we're almost done. And now you have your set of windshield wipers on. Unlike these that have all these different joints, these are just one solid band that kind of contours to the glass. Not like this. Actually gives you a much cleaner, uniform, swipe against the glass. This is actually a second vehicle I've used these on. Used them actually for a long time now. Just fantastic. I figured, why not do a review? So there you go. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.